Today in the video showing how, by using simple items as instruments of the light flux processing system, a light pattern can be created and how the system can be configured, and some advantages of the Lightplayer will be revealed. And now, meet Saulus.
Hi, it's me, Saulus. Yes, and we do today on this wall behind me something what will happen. We will see what will happen. We have some stuff, some lamps, something else, and something else. So this is that wall. This is the wall. There is machine. There is an instrument of light flux processing system, and this is machine. So we can try. We can start. Color green. This is so easy to adjust angle in this machine. Anywhere, anyhow. As I said, we're using that thing. It's some reclaim. It came from donor. I don't remember who was donor. Higher, we're adding this comfy. Let's try what's happening if we're starting. Something happening. But I see this polished lens in the case. Lens is polished. Adding another instrument. Adding I don't know what to add. Yeah? No. Okay, I will move it. I will rearrange it. Rearrange. So. I will make speed loop. We need some speed loop. And might be that this third should be higher. Yes. Looks almost good. So now I will add maybe some with the white. I feel that. Yes. Working. So easy, almost nice. And now it's daylight. At night will be much nicer, much more resolution, I think is right thing to say. So that was it. And this is in the daylight, as I said. Night will be much more resolution. I will make and post somewhere how it looks in the dark. This what we made now. So that's it. Today we used a Lightplayer and simple setup of its light flux processing system. Next time we do different project, maybe we find another location. For sure we get different instruments and different setup. That's it for now. You can do like for the video if you want someone else to find it out. If you want to keep it secret, I'm totally understanding you. Till next time.